Hello there, I'm Oran Kivity, a British acupuncturist living in Taiwan. I'm a practitioner of Manaka System Acupuncture and the author of 5 books about Japanese acupuncture. Manaka System Acupuncture is a system that has revolutionized and simplified the work of countless practitioners all over the world. It's a structural system of acupuncture based on simple ideas around the 8 extra meridians and the octahedral structure that they create in the body. It's a palpation-based method of acupuncture, which means that you're always using your hands to gather information and to inform the choices that you make. It's rich with feedback mechanisms so that you can tell when your point location is accurate and you can tell when your treatment is effective or not. This guides you and informs you and propels you along the way so that you really feel like you know what you're doing as you go through each step. It's a very logical and ordered system. You have a primary step, which is to treat the front of the body, and a secondary step, which is to treat the back of the body, the yin aspect, and then the yang aspect. Step 3 is optional and allows you to treat the structure of the body. You work on the soft tissue. And step 4 involves treating symptoms, pain, indigestion, or any symptoms that are remaining after you've done the first 3 steps. This 4-step protocol is very logical and very easy to follow. And as long as you follow it, you can treat practically any disease with confidence. I will be teaching a 3-level program of Manaka System Acupuncture. Level 1 gets you started. It's 3 days of hard work, hard theory, and lots of practice. Level 2, for those of you who've completed level 1, is a more sophisticated and experimental weekend where you start to really test Manaka's ideas and test his thinking. And you develop your protocols so that you have many more resources available to you to treat more complicated situations. By the end of level 1, you will be able to practice successfully using MSA. By the end of level 2, you will have a broader range of techniques and options to continue your MSA journey. You're going to learn so much stuff on this course. It's going to revolutionize how you practice. You're going to learn all kinds of moxa techniques. Warm needle technique, cone moxa technique, small cone moxibustion, moxa with channel stretching. Really a whole new way to approach moxibustion. You're also going to learn Japanese shallow needling, ion pumping, and you're going to learn palpation. Palpation of the channels, palpation of the hara, palpation for acupuncture points. So your whole approach, your relationship to the meridians is going to deepen. So I hope you come for Manaka Level 1. And if you've done Manaka Level 1, I hope you come for Manaka Level 2, because if Manaka Level 1 blew your mind, then Manaka Level 2 is going to expand it even further. I'm Oran Kivity. I'm looking forward to seeing you. Manaka Level 1, Manaka Level 2.